Today I'm going to show you how to make this super fast and easy plant stand. It's made out of 4x4s and it's a really quick project. Make sure to get the plans on my website in the description. I trimmed off the end of the piece to get a nice surface. Then clamped a stop block at 7 inches and cut 4 pieces. I stood it on end on a crosscut sled with a stop block and cut a 1-inch deep groove on one end. Raised the blade up. For this cut, I need to move the stop block to the other side so the waste piece doesn't get trapped and cause a kickback. I tilted the miter saw to 45 degrees and cut off the ends. I placed my pot onto the feet and measured the distance that they were apart. Added 3 inches to that number and cut some dowels. Then I set the depth stop to about 2 inches and drilled into all 4 pieces. To finish the wood, I used a flame burning technique with a propane blowtorch inspired by the Shosugiban wood finish. This preserves the wood from rot and pests, in addition to adding some nice color. The goal is to get a nice even coverage and avoid making it blotchy. As an alternative, you can use any outdoor wood finish. Make sure to keep a spray bottle on hand for when the wood burns too much. Once the surface was burned, I used a wire brush to scrape off the loose, charred material. Make sure to brush with the grain so that the scratches look good. The fit of the dowel was too tight, so I tried filing it down. But that took way too long, so I used a block plane, which was a lot faster. It's great for holding up plants or water jars, and it's adjustable by changing the size of the dowel. Make sure to subscribe so you see my next video about how I made this coffee mug planter.